Welcome to Gadget Solution.
Wavlink AC1200 setup. Setup using WPS button. Plug in the extender to an outlet and then wait for a few seconds for it to start up. Once the LED indicator is flashing red on the extender, hit the WPS button on your home router for about 5 seconds. After about 5 seconds on this router, the Wi-Fi signal LED changes colors and starts to flash. Now, press the WPS button on the extender for about 6 seconds until you see a blinking blue light. It shows that the extender is communicating with the router. Once the blinking red light turns to a solid blue, you'll know the Wavlink AC1200 setup is successful with the router setup. Setup using web browser. Plug the extender into an outlet and wait for about 45 seconds. The LED light will turn blinking red. Connect your device to the Wavlink N or Wavlink HC Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser of your choice. Type 192.168.10.1 into the address bar. Next, a login screen appears. Enter your router's default login details. After login process, access the Wavlink AC1200 repeater setup page later. You then need to select your region, add a time zone and a new password. Next, choose repeater mode on your screen and find your host's Wi-Fi signal. Find your host's Wi-Fi signal. Click Connect, and then wait for the progress bar to show. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds to finish the ongoing process. Now that you're connected, you can take the extender and plug it into a room where you want to increase the Wi-Fi signal.
Thanks for watching.